Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add or upload files in Hostinger. It is pretty simple and easy to do, so let's get started. First of all, go to your Edge panel and log into it, and here you will see domains and hosting. So if you want to upload files for your hosting, click on Manage your hosting, and here what you will see is File Manager in the overview. Click on the File Manager and you will be redirected to file browser area, and as you can see, you will see that you can create new folder, new file, or just explore your public HTML and etc. So here you can click new file or just new folder and name your directory and upload your files. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one. Peace.